Guten Tag, hi, my name is John Miguel Galan. Today we will explore the beautiful country, Vienna, Austria. Vienna, Austria capital lies in the country east on the Danube River. It is an artistic and intellectual legacy was shaped by residents including Mozart, Beethoven, and Sigmund Freud. The city is also known for its imperial palaces including Schönbrunn and Ashburg. Some residents in the Museum Quarter District, historic and contemporary building display works by Egon Schiele and Gustav Klimt and other artists. Before we go to their country, first we have to learn their costume and routine. Here's the don'ts and do's you have to do. First, the do's. Good morning conversation topics and the diversity. Austrians enjoy thinking about their home, region, meaningful sense of belonging, region of birth, even if they lived many years ago, also a sense of admiration for Austria, natural beauty and landscape, respect in Australian personal space, meaning value of their physical and personal privacy than among strangers. Those aspirations before photographing or taking video of someone is also expected that will knock on the doors before entering. Speaking about personal matters and being more open in the body language is more acceptable. Once you have well-established a relationship with the Austrian counterpart, do try to engage in enriching conversation. Austrians generally have a love for acquiring knowledge and learning, showing interest, learning about topic. Your Austrian counterpart is passionate about and likewise, so feel free share in your thoughts and topics of interest. As for much of Europe, World War II is a sensitive conversation topic, especially for elderly individuals. A feeling of collective responsibility still troubles some of Austrians of older generation. Should the Holocaust related event rise in big instability and natural, the younger generation are more and too much discussion. Here's the don'ts that you don't have to do in Austria. First is do not assume Austrian and Germans are the same. There are distinct differences in culture, costume, and values between the two countries. Some Austrians may have a sense of resentment towards the German, as much as don't refer to the Austrian, German, and do not try to make the comparison between the two countries. Avoid arriving late or canceling an arrangement last minute. Punctuality is higher value by Austrian. If you anticipate delays, give your Austrian counterpart warning and an apology for your delay. Try not to knock loud what your demand of modesty, shyness. Austrians prefer straightforward and direct communication. Question, being clear and honest is highly valued. Do not make stereotypes or assumptions about Austrian based on the sounds of musical or movie. Approach conversation about migration carefully. Austria is a transit country for asylum seekers traveling from the coast of Italy to Germany. Meaning is for people and seeing that the transit refugees are littering and sanitation. Many Austrians are very understanding the situation, while others view the situation negative. Like similar attitudes can be found toward to the Roma people. Vienna, Austria culture. So, here's the culture of Vienna, Austria. Vienna is the undisputed cultural center of Austria and one of the world capital of music. Even the Schilborg and Bergens Festival and dependent of Viennese orchestra, musicians, theater directors, and actors, opera, concert, and theatrical performance have played a major part in Viennese life for centuries, and many world-famous composers live and work in the city. The famous Society of Friends of Music, founded in 1812, helps to ensure that Vienna remains a leading music center. Here's the basic Austrian language. First, the basic Austrian language is the good morning, which is Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is the basic which you have to say good morning. So, the second one is goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen is goodbye in Austria. There's the hello. Hello or hello. Servus. Guru. Yeah, that is the hello. So this is how. Are you see? This is how in Austria. So thank you is Danke schön. This is Danke. This is the hello in Austria. So that's it for the basic Austrian language. So let's go to the tourist spot in the Austria. First, the coffee house culture. So Austrian coffee houses are famous for their elegance and relaxed atmosphere. There are places where people gather to read newspaper, engage conversation, or simply enjoy a cup of coffee and a pastry. Second is the notable pastry, Chardonnay, offering a traditional spending type in a coffee house is considered essential part of Viennese culture. Viennese Fall Season. Viennese Fall Season is from January to March. Vienna was over 450 balls, ranging from the outline opera ball to a smaller team balls. Participants dress in formal attire, and events often include grand opening ceremony like orchestra and traditional dances like waltz. Third is the Christmas market. The Christmas market is Austrian towns and city transformed into wonderland. The festive market, selling handmade crafts and ornaments and seasonal crafts and tradition. Drinking glotzuelle or molded wine and eating gingerbread while browsing to the market stall. Fourth tourist spot is the Krampusnacht. The Krampusnacht is from December 5 to 8 of the St. Nicholas Day. Krampus is a known demon-like figure roams into the street to scare saving children. This purple event is a part of a broader tradition involving St. Nicholas and his companion Krampus, who play a contrasting role. Fifth is the Easter tradition. So Easter tradition is Easter in Austria is marked by the decoration, egg painting, and Easter market. So what it is, Easter pure or Easter bonfire and Easter fruit or Easter bread are integral parts of the celebration. The sixth tourist spot in Austria is the Fasching Carnival. Fasching Carnival is an Austrian version of carnival celebrated in a parade, mass balls, and a festival leading to the land. So participants dress in elaborate and costume mass with events often featuring traditional music and dance. So let's start to the natural tourist spot here in Vienna, Austria. First is the Vienna Wien, the Sprung. The palace is a former imperial summer residence with stunning gardens and the oldest zoo in the world. So Holborg Palace, the winter residence of the Holzburg, and now the official residence of Austria, the Saint Stephen Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece in the heart of Vienna. Second, natural tourist spot in Vienna, Austria is the Schlossberg. Schlossberg is one of the largest and best prevalent cathedral in Europe. Mozart birthplace, a museum dedicated to the life of the Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Marble Palace and the garden famous of their beautiful Baroque architectural and garden. The third is the Innsbruck Old Town and features of the iconic Golden Roof, so the Golden Touch, and a stunning medieval architectural. So renowned for its art and armor collection, northern trees and range of accessible with cable car offers seeking in winter of hiking in summer. So the fourth is the Hallstatt or Hallstatt village, a futurist village known for its stunning lake and a mountains scenery. Salt mine, one of the oldest salt mine in the world, offering tours and divide the history of salt mining. Fifth is the Graz or the Schlossberg, a hill in the center of Graz with a clock tower and stunning views of the city. The Eggenberg Palace, so a Baroque place with extensive gardens and a museum. Old Town Graz, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with Renaissance and a Baroque architecture. The sixth is the Wachau Valley or Morg Abbey, Venezia Abbey, overlooking the Danube River, known for its magnificent Baroque architecture or Domesday Castle, whereas the Lionheart was held in a captive, offering breathtaking views of the Danube and surrounding vineyards. So the seventh is the Zilkisee Kaprun, the Lake Zil or the beautiful lake ideal for swimming, boating, and fishing. Kizishur or glacier offers the year-round skiing and stunning alpine scenery, Austria's rich cultural heritage, from the historical coffee house and elegant balls to vibrant Christmas markets and unique traditions like Krampustus, making a fascinating tradition combined with this breathtaking landscape and historic cities. Austria offer an unforgettable experience for every visitor, whether you're exploring the imperial splendor of Vienna, the mystical heritage of Vienna, stunning the natural beauty of the Austrian Alps, and there's something for everyone to enjoy. So, Austria's rich cultural heritage, from the historic coffee house and elegant balls to vibrant Christmas market and unique tradition like Krampusnacht, make it a fascinating destination combined with its breathtaking landscape. An historic city, Austria offers an unforgettable experience for every visitor, whether you are exploring the imperial splendor of Vienna, the musical heritage of Swissenburg, of the stunning natural beauty of the Austrian Alps, and there's something for everyone to enjoy.